Hello there, we're in Grasse today, perched in the hills above the perfume capital to show you a beautiful 5-bedroom villa with spectacular sea views. From here you can see across the Bay of Cannes to the Estoril Hills beyond and the Mediterranean Sea, just blue, blue, blue. Nestled in the tranquility of a private residential domain, this elegant villa, arranged over 3 levels, offers the perfect blend of seclusion and space that capture the essence of Côte d'Azur living. Inside, you'll find almost 200 metres squared of living space, light-filled and spacious. The open-plan kitchen, living and dining area opens onto an expansive balcony, a front row seat to those breathtaking views. Set on over 2,000 square metres of land, the grounds feature mature palm and olive trees and quiet corners to unwind. Whether entertaining at the poolside bar and lounge area or soaking up the sun from the expansive deck, every detail has been designed for relaxed outdoor living. 5 bedrooms in total, including a master suite that occupies the entire top floor, complete with a private trapezienne terrace, perfect for morning coffees and sunset apéro. On the main level, 3 bedrooms, a generous bathroom and a walk-in closet provide comfort and convenience. At pool level, there's a spacious 1-bedroom apartment with its own entrance, perfect for guests or generating rental income. Just 10 minutes drive away is the old town of Grasse, a maze of sun-dappled alleyways, hidden fountains and artisan boutiques. Known as the perfume capital of the world, this town is full of Provençal romance and heritage at every turn. Whether you're searching for a family holiday home, a permanent base, or a rental investment opportunity, this villa is perfectly placed to enjoy the best of the Riviera. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to see more of the villa or would like to arrange a visit, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm Victoria from Fine & Country, Provence.